CreditRepair.com review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this CreditRepair.com review, where I'll share my usage experience, explore its features, and help you decide if it's the right credit repair service for you. Links to CreditRepair.com are provided in the description below. CreditRepair.com is a leading name in the credit repair industry, designed to help individuals take control of their financial health by improving their credit scores. The service focuses on identifying, disputing, and removing inaccurate or outdated items from your credit report, making it ideal for anyone dealing with negative marks such as late payments, collections, or bankruptcies. One of its standout features is the free credit evaluation. This includes a credit report summary, personalized recommendations, and a clear breakdown of what's affecting your score. Once you enroll, CreditRepair.com takes over the heavy lifting. From disputing errors with credit bureaus to challenging questionable items directly with creditors. The platform also provides real-time progress tracking through a user-friendly online dashboard and mobile app, so you're always informed about the status of your disputes. CreditRepair.com also goes beyond basic credit repair by offering a suite of tools to help you maintain a healthy credit score. This includes monitoring alerts for any changes to your credit report and providing guidance on positive credit building habits. They even send goodwill intervention letters and escalate disputes when necessary to maximize results. This service is designed for individuals who want a professional, hands-off approach to credit repair while maintaining full transparency about progress. While the timeline for results depends on your specific credit situation, many users report noticeable improvements within 3 to 6 months. Pricing is straightforward with a monthly subscription model, and while it's not the cheapest option on the market, the range of features and comprehensive support make it a worthwhile investment for those serious about improving their credit. In conclusion, CreditRepair.com is a reliable and efficient option for anyone looking to repair and rebuild their credit. Its robust tools, personalized guidance, and clear results make it a top choice in the credit repair space. For more details or to get started, check the links in the description.